Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to check your gift card balance on Entailor. If you don't have Entailor account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click on My Account. On the drop-down list, you will see a Sign In button. Click on the Sign In button. Now, sign in with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, scroll down to the bottom. At the bottom part of the screen, you will see a section for Check Your Balance. To proceed, click on Check Your Balance. Now on this page, you will see a drop-down arrow beside Do you need to check the balance of a gift card or e-gift card? To proceed, click on the drop-down arrow. Then you will see a section from which you could check your gift card balance. On the field provided, enter the gift card number. After entering, click on Continue. That's how you check your gift card balance on Entailor. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.